Hey guys, TechMentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the GIF on your iPhone not working, whether it's on the Messages app or if someone is sending you or you're trying to download. You want to follow these steps to fix it. We're going to go through all the troubleshooting steps you need to fix your GIF or GIF, however you pronounce it. So let's get started. So the first and the simplest thing to do, if it's not working on the Messages app itself, once you have Messages app open, right, simply just pull it up and close it out and then reopen it. As simple as that. And it could be working by clicking on that plus icon, click on more, and under images, that's where all the GIFs are stored, and you can search for one or click one just like that and it will be available and working for you. Now let's say that didn't work. The next thing you want to do is pull down the control menu from the top or from the bottom and then turn your phone on airplane mode briefly and turn it back off, and that does a quick network refresh of your Wi-Fi data or cellular data, so that if you're having issues connecting to the internet, it will fix it. And make sure your internet is working, because if the internet isn't working, that GIF will not work properly. Now next thing you want to do in your setting of your iPhone is under the settings here, you want to go to accessibility, and under accessibility, under motion, the option for motion, right, you want to ensure that a reduce motion is turned off. This reduces motion on your interface, which could affect GIF not working correctly. So if this is turned on, turn that off. Along with that, in your settings, you're going to go back to the main settings again and then go to messages, right? Under messages here, if you're going to see all the way down here, it says low quality image mode. If this is turned on, you need to turn it off, and that's because if images are reduced to low quality, right, they will not work, and GIFs are not low quality, they need to have high quality, so turn that setting off as well. Now another thing to do is in the Messages app here, under iMessages app, if you're using any third-party keyboard, right, it will be listed here. All you want to do is turn it off and then turn it back on and see if that helps as well to fix the issue for you. Now another thing to check in your setting is your iPhone storage. In the main settings here, we can go to general and then click on iPhone storage, and we want to ensure that we have enough storage available. Let's say you have 128 gig and you're using up almost 128 gig, things are not going to work correctly. So you want to free up some space by deleting maybe some long format videos, some apps, some things that you don't need, so you can have some free storage, because most GIFs require a certain level of space so they can actually run like the way it should. Now another thing to do, if you're still having issue in your setting of your iPhone, again going back to the main settings here, you want to go to general and go over to language and region. Now certain regions do not support a GIF. I know United States does, and a couple other ones you can try to change it around, see if that helps as well. Certain countries, for some reason, it just doesn't have the GIF working on them. That will also help you as well. Now, after doing that and you're still having the issue, next thing to do is, if you're using any third-party GIF keyboard app on your iPhone, you need to delete it and reinstall it. In order to delete an app, you're going to simply press and hold, click on remove, and then click on delete. Now once it's been deleted, just simply go over to the App Store and then search for that GIF keyboard that you were using, right? You just search it up and then basically reinstall it by getting it again, right? You want to get it and it's going to install it and follow the prompt. And once you're installed again, go into your setting of your iPhone, and under messages again this time, right, you want to go back to iMessages app and ensure that it is turned on so you can use it there as well. If it's turned off, it will not be working. You need to turn it on, and although when you open it up, it might ask you for access, make sure you give full access as well for it. And finally, the last thing you want to do if it's still not working is updating your phone by going into your settings, going to general, software update, and check if there's an update out. Sometimes older version might have a bug or something going on, so you want to update it. Give yourself about half an hour to 45 minutes to be able to successfully update your iOS, and hopefully after that, GIF or GIF is working on your iPhone. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.